Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your network speed on Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Checking your network speed in Mobile Legends is easy. Tap the settings icon from the top right of the main dashboard. In Settings, select Network Test from the bottom. Here on the Network Test tab, tap the button that says Tap to Test. The result of the test will show you your signal strength and network delay. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.